Hello everyone. Today we are going to walk through how to use Onepay at Walmart. First, let's connect Onepay to your Walmart account. If you shop online, open the Walmart app or visit the Walmart website and sign into your account. Go to your account settings, then choose Wallet or Payment Methods. From there, select Onepay Wallet as your preferred payment method. Once added, you can easily use it during checkout. When shopping online, simply add your items to the cart as usual. At the checkout screen, choose Onepay Wallet as your payment option. If you are shopping in a Walmart store, you can also use Onepay at the register or self-checkout. After scanning your items, open the Onepay app on your phone. The app will show instructions for payment, which may include scanning a QR code or showing a barcode for the cashier to scan. Once your payment is processed, you will receive confirmation on your phone along with a digital receipt. You can also earn rewards when using Onepay at Walmart. That's how you can use Onepay at Walmart to make purchases online and in store in a fast and secure way. Thanks for watching.